dealing with a child over the age of 1 who is choking. The symptoms of choking that we're looking for are lips turning blue, perhaps a bluish tinge around the mouth and nose area. Your child will also be silent, will be unable to talk or laugh or shout because their windpipe is blocked. You may find that older children put their hands to their throat to indicate that they can't breathe, that they don't have oxygen. If we believe that our child is choking, we need to act quickly. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to ask our child to cough. Can you cough for me? Coughing can help to move the object in the windpipe. The next thing we need to do is we need to deliver 5 blows to the back. Supporting neck and head, we want our child to be facing downwards and forwards, leaning over so that we can deliver 5 blows with the heel of our hand to the shoulder blades. These are delivered as blows and not gentle taps because they need to be given with force. Once you've delivered those 5 back blows, if the object hasn't come out, the next thing we need to do is an abdominal thrust. With your child in front of you, you need to make your hand into a fist, and between the belly button and the bottom of the rib cage, we place our fist and put our other hand over the top, making a firm grip. What we want to do now is we want to press in and lift up in a scooping motion, and we're going to do this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That scooping motion is designed to force air up from underneath the blockage and push the blockage out of the windpipe. We continue in rotations of the 5 back blows and the 5 abdominal thrusts until the object comes out. If the child was to fall unconscious, we need to start CPR.